You've built your DocuSign templates and you're ready to share them with other users of your account. In this video, we'll cover which of the two different ways you can follow to share your template based on who you want to share your templates with and who should and should not access them. And you will also learn how to prevent users from making changes to shared templates. Otherwise, users are just going to do things that they shouldn't, and that's not good if you're trying to implement a repeatable and scalable system. So you really want to watch this video until the end if you want to avoid this. And if you're new to the channel, welcome. My name is Sofian, the founder of Solusign Consulting. We help financial services companies scale sales and customer onboarding workflows using automation software. So if you want help with your DocuSign implementation or integration with CRM or any other app, you can book a strategy session with me using the link in the description of this video just down below. But for now, let's talk about the two different ways to share templates. So in DocuSign, you become the template owner every time you build a template. You can see here that I am the template owner, and that's because owner know who owner is. So by default, only the template owner can access the template, except for users that have admin level permission levels, because they can access and edit any templates across the entire account. So sharing templates means that other users can access and edit templates that they don't own. For example, if you have a team of 5 people, if you need to update the sales contract, you only need to do it once, and that change will reflect for everyone, thanks to the guy who built that thing called cloud. So if you want all users of the account to access your template, it's better to add the template into a shared folder, because shared folders are accessible to all users. So from the templates tab, what you want to do is select the template, and then you can click on share to folder and then select the folder where you want to add the templates to. But before you can add the template to the folder, you'll first need to create the actual folder. So just click on the little plus next to the shared folder and give a name to your shared folder. From there, you will be able to find the folder you just created, access the template. It's very simple. You just click on the templates and then just click on the folders and it'll just see the template and I can just click on use. Now, if you want to share the template with specific users of the account or specific groups of users, you don't want to place the template in the shared folder. What you want to do instead is to share the template with users. So click on the drop down, share it with users, and here you'll get a list of users available or groups of users as well. And then just, select the user, click on share, and that's done. And those users will be able to find the template in their shared with me tab when they go to their template page. And if you're just starting with DocuSign and aren't sure how templates work, I recommend that you download my free DocuSign Mastery cheat sheet, because it will show you how to get started with fields, recipients, and templates. And you can download it using the link popping up right now. And in case you've just missed it, you can find it in the description of this video as well. But now, I want you to remember one thing. When you share templates with other users, those users can still make changes to the template. And so if you want to make sure that your template is protected, you'll want to add a password to your template. So the way you do this is go inside the template, click on edit, and then you have the advanced options menu. So if you scroll down, you will see that you can create a password. And don't worry, after you set the password, you'll be able to reset it and remove it altogether. So this is very important that you do it before you share your template with other users. Otherwise, they're going to break all the things you spent a lot of time building inside of your template. But I don't think that password protecting template is enough if you want to make sure that all the envelopes that get sent out of the account work exactly the way you've designed them. Let me explain. So we've got this password that's preventing users from making changes to the template itself. So the template is safe. But the problem is not with the template, the problem is with the envelopes. If I click on use, what is happening now is that DocuSign is creating an envelope using the template. But the problem is that I can go ahead and delete that recipient if I want to by accident. I can go ahead and change that messaging here. I can go ahead and maybe delete a field that I'm not supposed to delete. So if you want to control the content and workflow of the envelopes users are sending, you can add additional protection to ensure they don't edit recipients, fields, messaging, and documents. And that's what I'm going to show you in the next video. If you hold tight for 5 seconds, YouTube is going to recommend and play this video. I will see you there. Ciao.